Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shanky Trading. And today we will learn something new about how to trade in US stock. This is an application called uSMART. So here you can just trade in US stocks, you can trade in Singapore stock, you can trade in Hong Kong stock. So this is a platform, how it looks. There's a watch list over here. You can just see that S&P 500, Hang Seng, a lot of this thing index is there. The US index you can just trade in Singapore and Hong Kong. So that is a specialty of uSMART. Okay. That is a specialty of uSMART. And at the bottom, you can just see that, for the charts and all. So here the chart is there of NASDAQ composite over here. So 1 day, 5 day, and the weekly chart, the time frame you can change. It's like normal. And there are a lot of, like news, whatever the news comes in, the discussion, and the components over here. And there are a lot of things over there, in the chart. As well as you can just see that, like candlestick pattern also you can change, hollow candle, or like any candle, but normally we go with the red and the green candle what we do. And a lot of things are there over here. So what they are giving you right now, so they are giving you 0% commission. Okay, that means they're not charging any commission on uSMART, like smart investing in US, Hong Kong and Singapore stocks. That means if you invest in so much of stock, they are not charging any commission from you, as well as there is no hidden fee till 31st December 2022. So right now it is July, and if you just start investing with $100 or maybe $200, so what is the scenario that you're just dropping down your $100, $200, you're checking in this app till maybe 6 months, and after 6 months, if you see that the performance of this app is not going good, so yeah, you can withdraw your money back also. But I don't think so. Once you just go inside this in uSMART, nobody will just come out of this app, because I'm just doing a analysis on this app. I'm using it from 2 months right now. So yeah, it is going good. So 0% commission. So till 31st December, you can just use this app, putting $100 or $200 as an investment, and you can just check out how the platform is working, whether it's good, bad or not. Okay, so that's the first step of this app. And the second one is the key feature of uSMART. Okay, so what are the key feature of uSMART? So the first feature, like easy open account. So that means you can easily open that account. There is nothing like any hurdle. Like you can just put this and all. It's very friendly. This app is very friendly, uSMART. So it can be very easy. It will not take much time. Hardly maybe around, you can say that the team is very good. So any documentation or something while uploading, if you have any issue, you can just contact them directly. Okay, so it's very easy for account opening. The second one, you can just look out, as I told you, that 0% commission charges are there, hidden charges, nothing is there, everything is zero basically in this app. So you can just try with that. Okay, for another feature, okay, that is free portfolio strategy. So nowadays I have never seen any app which is giving you free portfolio strategies, because everybody charge some amount on that, or maybe for getting up your account in a very good like if you want to just create your portfolio in a very good manner, so they charge, or for any recommendation and all. But here it is giving you free for US stock I'm talking about. Okay, so it is giving you free, so that what happens is, like, using our indicators, our CPR, our bulb, a lot of indicators are there, and you can just analyze the market for the 1 year or maybe for 6 months for your portfolio in US stock, because this is a new what is it called, this platform is what is it called, for entry for US stock, it is a new one. So why don't you take a recommendation from the app, because they are performing very good in the US market and all. So they will give you an idea exactly where you can invest, because definitely it is just like sharing is caring. So that is what they take care of that. So the free portfolio strategies, they will allow you to go through that, and as well as it just gives you the daily stock pick for intraday purpose. If you want like daily pick, you can run for 1 or 2 days. For that also, it will just give the idea exactly which stocks are very good that you can just pick in. So they go with the detailed what is it called, the detailed flow chart of like what happened 2 years back, 3 years back, that weekly 52 high and all low, everything they just calculate. They have an automated system which will tell you, yeah, okay, this is the stock where the buying is going on or selling is going on, it will be profitable for you. Okay, that is the logic on that, because when something is new, you should take a guidance and the learning. Once you learn something, then only you can just go ahead with that. Okay, so it will take some time in US stock market, but don't worry, I'm there. So I'll just teach you exactly in which which stock we can buy and sell. That's up to me. I'll just tell you exactly how I give the daily levels in our Indian stock market. The same thing I will just do here also. So don't worry on that. Okay. So that's the like daily stocks and all, how you can just pick. And the next part is like the major thing, the deposit. The deposit very easy. I'll teach you the technique exactly how to deposit the money and also with the next video coming up. I'll just teach you exactly because majorly that deposit and withdrawal is a major issue. But over here, I don't think so. And the second thing, easy withdrawal, no charges. So now they want to just they are entering India in such a way that they want to just prove themselves that just check our app first and just deposit $100 or $200 and just watch out. Like around 2 months or 3 months, you just understand how this app works. And then once the confidence comes in, then maybe let's see what happens after maybe 31st December. And there's high tech, the security is very important. So they have a very good security on that, as well as 24/7 support desk. So that is very important thing because here the delay, like it's not like if you just if you want any help from this uSMART, okay, the people are very very fast. You can say that they reply and all. It's not like they will just tell you maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. The reply is very fast. So that is a better thing, because what happens is like somebody is selling you a product, and if it's not giving you service, then what is the use of that app? Okay. So here the 24/7 support desk. That is a good one about this. Okay, uSMART. So this is their 4th year. Okay, they're celebrating their 4th year anniversary. So for that reason, what they have given you a 50% free cash voucher. Okay. So the 3 transaction above $500 within 90 days. So yeah, you have more time, maybe around 3 months. So in this 3 months, you are doing the transaction above $500. So $50 as a cash voucher, they are giving you free. Okay. So that is where the uSMART comes into the picture. So you can just try this app. Just drop down maybe $100, $200. Buy Apple or Tesla in US, and then let's see what happens. Our Apple and Tesla, how it works. Okay. So I'll teach you exactly how to trade in the US stocks and all. So later on you can see another video coming up, and I can just give you the detailed explanation and we'll start trading in uSMART. Okay. So that's all for the days, guys. See you with the live trading on US stock using the uSMART. It is telling you, the name itself tells you uSMART means you be smart, so that you should diversify in like Indian market or maybe US market, so that up and down will be there. This is the right time for the investment because over there it is in dollar, over in India it is in rupees. So that is the difference. You can understand the major difference. When it jumps, it's dollar. Okay. So that's all, guys. Take care. Bye.